Hi everyone. Let's continue staff nurse entrance preparation model questions. The youngest brother is at the PlayStation. A and the none. So the correct answer is the. The चाहिँ हामीहरूले सुपरलेटिभ फर्म्स भएको बेला युज गर्छौँ जस्तै कि ओल्डेस्ट youngest त्यही भएर the youngest brother is at the PlayStation. My brother to Brazil to see football last year. Go, goes, went, will go. So the correct answer is went. किन त किनकि यो सेन्टेन्समा लास्ट इयर भनेर चाहिँ डिनोट गरेको छ त्यही भएर हामीले सिम्पल पास्ट टेन्स युज गर्नुपर्छ. That's why my brother went to Brazil to see football last year. She hardly drinks doesn't see, does see, is see, isn't see. So the correct answer is dot see. किन त के अरे नेगेटिभ स्टेटमेन्टको लागि चाहिँ सधैँ पोजिटिभ ट्याग युज हुन्छ त्यही भएर सी हार्डली ड्रिङ्क्सको ट्याग क्वेसन भनेको डट सी भयो. The active voice of grass is eaten by cow is eaten grass, cow eats grass, cow is eating grass, cow was eating grass. So the correct answer is cow eats grass. कसरी त अब एक्टिभ भोइसमा चाहिँ सब्जेक्ट प्लस भब 1 or भब 5 प्लस अब्जेक्ट छ भने त्यसको प्यासिभ फर्म के हुन्छ त अब्जेक्ट प्लस इजएमआर प्लस भब 3 त्यही भएर ग्रास इज इटन बाई काउको एक्टिभ भोइस भनेको काउ इट्स ग्रास हो. If there had been a bus service, I by bus would have gone, will go, could go. So the correct answer is would have gone. किन त कन्डिसनल सेन्टेन्समा चाहिँ अगाडि इफ प्लस ह्याड प्लस भब 3 छ भने त्यसको पछाडि चाहिँ के हुन्छ त वुड सुड कुड माइट प्लस ह्याड प्लस भब 3 त्यही भएर इफ देयर ह्याड बिन अ बस सर्भिस आई वुड ह्याभ गन बाई बस. My sister got a tailor a couple of shirts to make, made, make, makes. So the correct answer is to make. किन त कजेटिभ भबमा चाहिँ सब्जेक्ट प्लस गेट प्लस एजेन्ट भयो भने त्यसको पछाडि चाहिँ के हुन्छ त वी सुड युज टु प्लस भब 1 त्यही भएर माई सिस्टर गट अ टेलर टु मेक अ कपल अफ सर्ट्स. Her illness, she didn't go to the work because in spite of so that. So the correct answer is because of. Because of connective say used हुन्छ when reason is known. त्यही भएर because of her illness she didn't go to the work. The negative form of I have got some problem is I have any problem, I have not some problem, I don't have some problem, I haven't got any problem. So the correct answer is I haven't got any problem. नेगेटिभ सेन्टेन्समा चाहिँ सम चाहिँ एनीमा चेन्ज हुन्छ somebody to nobody, someone to no one अनि some more to any more त्यही भएर नेगेटिभ फर्म अफ I have got some problem को करेक्ट एन्सर के रहेछ त I haven't got any problem. Nobody loves and cares me. Does he, doesn't they, do they, don't they? So the correct answer is do they. Nobody loves and cares me मा चाहिँ कसरी ट्याग डु दे भयो त nobody somebodyहरू भयो भने चाहिँ हामीहरूले ट्यागमा दे युज गर्नुपर्छ र नेगेटिभ स्टेटमेन्टको लागि ट्याग भनेको छ त्यो अफर्मेटिभ क्वेसन ट्याग हुन्छ त्यसैले डु दे. How many books did you buy? Its passive voice is how many books you bought, how many books were you buying, how many books were brought, how many books are bought. So the correct answer is how many books were bought. के रहेछ त how many books did you buy को passive voice भनेको how many books were bought. Sometime I would have visited you. Had I had, would I had. So the correct answer is had I had. Had I had some time, I would have visited you. You have been busy with this the last week. Since, for, by, before. So the correct answer is since. Since preposition चाहिँ used हुन्छ to describe point of time जस्तै कि since last week भने for preposition चाहिँ used हुन्छ for describing period of time जस्तै कि for 2 weeks. त्यही भएर you have been busy with this since the last week. Never think you are inferior anyone else. Then, from, for, to. So the correct answer is then. किन त then preposition चाहिँ used हुन्छ for comparison sentence. त्यही भएर never think you are inferior than anyone else. I hate being laughed at. This means I hate people laughing at me, laughing at people to laugh me at, to laugh at. So the correct answer is people laughing at me. अब एक्टिभ भोइसमा चाहिँ सब्जेक्ट प्लस भर्ब प्लस अब्जेक्ट छ भने मात्रै त्यसको प्यासिभ फर्म चाहिँ के हुन्छ त अब्जेक्ट प्लस बिङ प्लस भर्ब 3 प्लस सब्जेक्ट त्यही भएर के भयो त करेक्ट एन्सर भनेको चाहिँ आई हेट पिपल लाफिङ एट मी. I was born ... 13 January 2002 in, on, at, by. So the correct answer is on. I was born on 13 January 2002. यदि डेज र डेट्स छ भने चाहिँ हामीले अन प्रिपोजिसन युज गर्नुपर्छ भने यदि मन्थ्स मात्रै छ अथवा इयर्स मात्रै छ भने हामीले इन प्रिपोजिसन युज गर्नुपर्छ. Neither the boys nor girls liked it. Did they, do they, didn't they, did he? So the correct answer is did they. किन त अफर्मेटिभ नेगेटिभ सेन्टेन्सको लागि चाहिँ हामीले के युज गर्छौँ त अफर्मेटिभ ट्याग युज गर्छौँ र यसमा चाहिँ पास्ट सेन्टेन्स युज भएको भएर हामीले डिड युज गरे. देयरफोर करेक्ट एन्सर इज डिड दे. No conclusive evidence exists. Many experts believe that the earth was created after the Big Bang. Even, but, so, although. So the correct answer is although. किन त although चाहिँ used हुन्छ to show the argument. त्यही भएर although no conclusive evidence exists, many experts believe that the earth was created after the Big Bang. Dolphins have no sense of smell as far as it is known, as known as far, it is known as far. So the correct answer is as far as it is known, dolphins have no sense of smell. किन त as far as चाहिँ used हुन्छ for the information we know. The poet and the artist ... arriving tonight. Will, are, has been, is. So the correct answer is are. The poet and the artist are arriving tonight. किन त किनकि the poet and the artist भनेपछि यसले चाहिँ के डिनोट गरेको त डिफ्रेन्ट पर्सन डिनोट गरेको भएर हामीले चाहिँ प्लुरल भर्ब युज गर्नुपर्छ. त्यही भएर the poet and the artist are arriving tonight. Either Mohan or Gopal ... done this work. Has, have, had. So the correct answer is has. Either or छ भने चाहिँ हामीले सधैँ सेकेन्डको सब्जेक्टलाई चाहिँ प्रायोरिटी दिनुपर्छ के. त्यही भएर either Mohan or Gopal has done this work चाहिँ करेक्ट एन्सर हो. That's it for today's session. We practiced 20 sets of question. अब next 20 sets of question पनि म चाँडै नै अपलोड गर्छु. So stay tuned till then. Stay safe. Take care. Bye bye.